Just living in between the days, chasing light in quiet ways. No big plans, just letting go, finding home in what we don't know.
Good morning. I don't know where I put this intro, but yeah, I just woke up. I have a train in 1 hour. We are going to see Tulip Farm. Actually, last year also we went, but I didn't vlog. So this time I have my new camera, so I thought I will vlog this time. Just for fun. We have already seen it, but yeah. I have to cook actually. I have to take something for the journey, but I don't know if I have time or it's just that I'll get ready. But yeah, let's see. I'm not that excited, but I'm excited. ഫുള്ള് എന്താ പറയുമല്ലോ ഓടി ഓടി ഇറങ്ങി 9:20 ട്രെയിൻ ഓൾമോസ്റ്റ് 8:03 ആയി 8:03 അല്ല എത്ര 9:44 ആയി അപ്പോൾ പിന്നെ അങ്ങ് നടക്കാമെന്ന് വിചാരിച്ചു എങ്ങനെ പോകുന്നു. ഞങ്ങൾ രണ്ടാമത്തെ തവണ ടുലിപ്പ് ഗാർഡൻ കാണാൻ പോവാണ്. അവൾ ഓൾറെഡി പറഞ്ഞു കാണും, എന്നാലും ഞാനിപ്പോഴല്ലേ വരുന്നത്, അപ്പോൾ എൻ്റെ വായിന്നും കൂടി കേൾക്കണ്ടേ നിങ്ങൾക്ക്. സോ രണ്ടാമത്തെ വർഷമാണ് നമ്മൾ പോണത്. കഴിഞ്ഞ വർഷം സാരിയൊക്കെ ഉടുത്തുകൊണ്ടാണ് പോയത്. ഈ വർഷം നമ്മൾ ഭയങ്കര വേറെ അറ്റയിലാണ് ഇറങ്ങിയിരിക്കുന്നത്. ടുലിപ്സിനെ കണ്ടിട്ട് എന്ത് പറയുമെന്ന്.
നിങ്ങൾ ആരാ എന്ന് ചോദിക്കും.
നിങ്ങൾ ആരോ, നിങ്ങളെ കണ്ടിട്ടില്ലല്ലോ ഇതിനു മുന്നേ. അപ്പം നമ്മൾ പറയും നമ്മൾ ലാസ്റ്റ് ഇയർ വന്നതാണെന്ന്. ഫുഡൊന്നും കഴിച്ചില്ല, എല്ലാം പാക്ക് ചെയ്ത് എൻ്റെ ബാഗിലുണ്ട്. സസ്റ്റൻസിന് വേണ്ടി വെള്ളം നമ്മൾ ആസ് യൂഷ്വൽ എടുത്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. അതിന് ബാക്കി ചെയ്യുന്ന ബാഗ് മിലു വെൻ ഫോർ എന്താ പറയുക ചോയ്സ് ഫാഷൻ. എന്ത് ചോയ്സാണ് നമ്മൾ എടുത്തില്ല.
എവറിഥിങ് ഇൻ ദിസ് ബാഗ്. Book, my power bank, my camera, everything is there. So when I took it last time, no, it was like, okay, this bag is really useful
and it's cute.
ഞാൻ
അഭിപ്രായമാർക്കിന്ന് മേടിച്ചു, ഞാൻ യൂസ് ചെയ്യാത്തതുകൊണ്ട് കൊടുത്തേ ഉള്ളൂ.
she don't know how to use it basically.
അതിന് ബാക്കിൽ നിന്ന് വരുന്നുണ്ട്,
കണ്ടുകൂടാ,
ഇറങ്ങിന്നാ പറഞ്ഞേ, എത്തുമായിരിക്കും. ദിവ്യയും മീനിയും എവിടെന്നെങ്കിലുമൊക്കെ വരുന്നുണ്ട്. അവരും സമയത്തിന് ട്രെയിൻ സ്റ്റേഷനിൽ എത്തുമായിരിക്കും. ഇല്ലെങ്കിൽ നമ്മൾ ട്രെയിൻ പിടിച്ചങ്ങ് പോകും. എങ്ങോട്ടാണെന്ന് അറിഞ്ഞൂടാ. ഓക്കെ, ബൈ ബൈ. We all reached on time to the station and we are 4 minutes early actually.
No, I'm very glad.
അടുത്ത സ്റ്റേഷൻ എത്തി. കയറി ഞങ്ങൾ അടുത്ത പ്ലാറ്റ്ഫോമിൽ പോവാണ്. ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് ഒരു നെക്സ്റ്റ് ട്രെയിൻ ആണ്. സോ follow sign platform told directly here. Last time I remember we came like this. Big factory. Last time also it's the same station. From here you have to take a cab to the place. അവിടെ നിന്ന് വാങ്ങിച്ചോ? കൊള്ളോ? നോട്ട് ഗുഡ്. So we came to this cafe, which we came last time also, and then we had our usual tea. It's like only one time. The second time we are coming and we are doing this usual. The usual we are but yeah. So last time also it's the same place, it's the same station, it's the same cafe, and then we are just waiting for the cab. We just took a croissant and what is it? Pano raisin. Yeah, and the croissant was really good. നമ്മളെ വിട്ടിട്ട് അവർ പോയല്ലേ. Divya booked the cab, but she forgot that we are 5, and she booked a 4-seater. Maybe she thought that including driver. We are just making fun of her basically. So we booked another one, and we are waiting for the cab now. ഞങ്ങൾ നടക്കുന്നു, അവരുടെ അവിടെ നിൽപ്പുണ്ട്. Just running and going. The person who runs the brothel is called Madam. They are discussing something which is very relevant in the context, but yeah. Thank you. ഇവിടെ വന്നപ്പോൾ ഇത്രയും പൂക്കളില്ലായിരുന്നു, പക്ഷേ ഇപ്പം നല്ല നിറയെ ഫുൾ പൂക്കൾ. കാരണം ഞങ്ങൾ ലാസ്റ്റ് ടൈം വന്നത് ലാസ്റ്റാണ്. സോ ദിസ് ടൈം ദർ ആർ ലോട്ട് ഓഫ് ഫ്ലവേഴ്സ്. സോ എല്ലാ ഫ്ലവേഴ്സും നോക്കി നടന്ന എല്ലാ ഫ്ലവേഴ്സും കണ്ടിട്ട് തന്നെ ഇവിടെ നിന്ന് പോകുന്നുള്ളൂ.
Sunlight peeks through window glass. Birds hum
Photo session
tunes
started.
as I pass. Woke up to a sky half gray. Coffee in a paper cup on my way. Didn't know where this road would go, but I stepped out anyway, nice and slow. Little moments passing by. Didn't stop to ask me why. Tucked a sunbeam in my coat. Chase the chill right off my throat. We're just living in between the days, chasing light in quiet ways. No big plans, just letting go. Finding home in what we don't know. Stuffing joy in every pocket. Chasing off the dark's cold socket. Birds of a feather side by side. Keeping hope alive, alive. City noise and a drifting mind. Lost in thoughts I didn't try to find. People come and people fade. Still I walk through every shade. Stop to share a smile and song. Kept the warmth where I
ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടു കൊള്ളാം കഴിഞ്ഞ പ്രാവശ്യം ഭയങ്കര കാറ്റായിരുന്നു എന്റെ പാർക്കൊന്തിലൊന്നും കുഴപ്പമില്ല
നല്ല ഭംഗിയുണ്ട്, കളർഫുൾ, നിറയെ പൂക്കളുണ്ട്. മിന, വാട്ട് യു ഹാവ് ടു സേ?
I'm really happy because of me telling all these girls came for me. I'm so grateful to these people. I have to do something for these people.
ദിവ്യ, what do you have
But
to say?
I'll try to charge for
You charge, but you must not credit to actually had to plan. You can charge,
But no.
come here.
Yeah, but
And you
I
can
think
see the full blooming
yes,
of the
yes.
flowers.
We thought last year we have anyway come, but this time it will not be.
Last
It will be
year
the
when
same
the flowers
experience.
are not blooming, then
Yeah,
we wore sarees.
yeah.
Now the flowers are blooming. We came just like white and denim,
Yes.
creating our.
But I think that adds a bit of character
way,
to us, yeah.
we should have our own beauty.
Yes, yes, yes. എനിക്ക് നല്ല ഫോട്ടോസ് കിട്ടി. തവണ കുറച്ചധികം പൂക്കളുണ്ട്. Since we are like usual regulars because we came last year also. Yeah, but flowers is here and lot of different varieties are there. I just like we just came in. Yeah, we will just check it. We are almost done. So we are done with the tulips. It is so overwhelming, but it is so cute. So after that we now
I am so happy to
have to go for food. Chakra is tired again. Food. She needs food. So we have to go and get some food. Actually, we are planning to go to Birmingham. Near Birmingham for biryani.
but I don't know if that plan is on.
So yeah, we are now going to have some pancakes which we had last time, which was really good. So we'll go and
But there
get
is
that
no place
as
to sit because there is a lot of people here.
well. A lot of people. I think the whole UK is here. You want to say? I'll show you.
അവിടെയൊക്കെ ആൾക്കാരാണ്. A lot of
So we took some pics and now we are going to have the infamous mini pancakes that Divya wanted to have. But the queue of the mini pancake is huge. I came to buy chicken burger here.
What's in there?
Last time we had a burger from Lotus, yeah. So we think we to get that. So it's looking nice.
అసలు ఇంత సైజ్ నేను ఎప్పుడు చూడలేదు.
Chakra is placing screen card for Meena.
For Meena ka.
More Meena's phone.
You asked, no, what this brand? Bonjour Paris.
They do it like this కదా హ్యాండ్ తో
అలా ఏం మనం చేయం అంత టెక్నిక్ రాదు.
ఐ మీన్ వెన్ ఎవర్ ఐ గో కదా ఇండియాలో వాళ్ళు అలాగే చేస్తారు. But then when Divya told me Minu is like perfect in this, I'm like okay.
Slight, but on her it is more. This is yours, Anu's, right? Spread it, no, it is
ఎక్కువ అయింది.
what I want.
ఇది ఏదో కెమెరా సెట్టింగ్స్ మార్చి
ఇదేదో change చేసి.
సెల్ఫీ
కలవేనండి.
Bye bye. Yeah, so we're starting back. We booked the cab and we're waiting for that. The paracetamol tablet. From where you got the paracetamol tablet, Chakra? Cab driver. I was like, I need a paracetamol tablet. So when he was dropping off, he was like, if you want one, please take it. നടന്നില്ല. We came to railway station. Train is in like 3 minutes.
అవుతా వద్దా
We got down at Moore Street and now we are heading to Birmingham Bullring Station.
స్టేటస్ ఏంటి నాకు ప్రిపేర్
We have to wait for the this ordered. So we are going into TK Maxx as of now. Food game. Yay, food game.
What's the time?
We are back walking. ഒന്ന് പഞ്ഞി പോലെ എന്തോ പൊഴിയാണ് പഞ്ഞിയല്ലേ പഞ്ഞി ഫുള്ള്
കോർണറിൽ പഞ്ഞി എങ്ങനെ വെച്ചാൽ ഇങ്ങനെ
ആ
അതിന്
പഞ്ഞി പൊഴിഞ്ഞു
ഹാൻഡിൽ ചെയ്യാനാണ് പക്ഷെ ഹാൻഡിൽ
ഇത്രയും വരില്ല. ആക്ച്വലി ഇത് ഞാൻ കഴിഞ്ഞ വർഷം കണ്ട ഓർമ്മ എനിക്ക് ഈ പഞ്ഞി വീഴുന്നത്. അതിന് ഒരു വർഷമായോ?
Hello. I don't know if I'll be adding this as my ending of the vlog, but still, I'll just record it. But today was really great. As I've already mentioned, I've been to this place already. But this time we were able to see a lot of tulips, and it was so good actually. We collected a lot of pictures, we had some food. It was fun. While coming back, my sister, she was not feeling that good, so she came early and we had to get some food for we thought we'll get something like we took something as takeaway, so we waited for them to deliver it and then we started back. But yeah, overall the day was good. What else? Just nice, pleasant day. Even though it was Sunday, right? My sister was recently saying better to have Sundays occupied than Saturdays. Just that rather dreading over a Monday. Dreading of the thought that tomorrow is Monday, we would be doing something good. But anyway, Saturdays we won't be thinking that. So better to plan things on Sunday than keeping it for the rest day. Because if Sunday you're resting, your whole mind will be like, okay, Monday I have to go and work. That made more sense, you know. Yeah, that's it. Until next time. Bye bye.